Good morning. Making a little video about planting potatoes and soil fertility. Last year we done a little experiment. We planted some potatoes and portion of the field we left completely uncovered, while the other one we put about 10 to 15 centimeters of straw mulch on top. And the results we got were actually quite big compared one to another. So I wanted to share quick tips and tricks what you can do to maybe increase your harvest and not do mistakes that we done. We have a loamy clay type of soil which gets really clumpy during the dry period. The potatoes had really hard time of establishing themselves and making new tubers, and the part of the field where was no mulch, it had really low harvest. While on the other hand, the little field what we had here, our harvest was 4 times bigger on that part compared to the other. What we're gonna try to do this year is straight away tile the soil. So we wanna break down all the big chunks of the clay, mix some eggshells. We got quite a big amount of, we're gonna grind it, spread it across the field, and then pour some chicken manure. I'll show you later how to make a proper mixture, because as you know, chicken manure is one of the best fertilizers you can get. So if you're raising chickens, you have a best companionship with your garden for your vegetables. And then the big job of mulching over, which probably will take a few days to do. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So this is our little device what we're gonna be using today to break down the big chunks. This is a Hecht brand, I believe it's some German brand. Decent quality. It's been the 3rd year and it's never really had any problems. It runs with Briggs & Stratton engine. I believe it's 140 cc, 2 kilowatt of power. It does the job. So the next thing on our list is fertilizing it to improve your quality of soil. You can use it basically anywhere in your garden. All the vegetables love it. The only thing you want to be mindful about is how fresh is your manure. So in case you just cleaned the chicken coop and you collected that manure, you want to give it at least, I would say, a month for it to cool off. Otherwise, if you directly apply to your vegetable garden, it might be too intense and the plants might burn from the heat. So you want to give it a bit of time. This one I leave it for about a couple months. Basically, I grab a watering can and I use about 1 liter of the chicken manure. And that's in a liquid form. So when you making it in the first place, you basically filling up with the water. All the dry matter that you collected. So we're gonna add this 1 liter and top up with the water. So the ratio is about 1 to 10. I think this will take a few rounds. We can go to the next step, which is giving some calcium, which is our eggshells, also from the chickens. So we're gonna be applying and spreading it all over. If I'm not mistaken, actually, eggshells prevent blossom rot for the potatoes. So hopefully we're gonna have healthy potatoes next year. Anyway, so the last part is to cover with the horse manure mixed with straw, and that will work as a mulch at the same time as a fertilizer for the next season. When you're done with the mulch, the field is pretty much ready. This layer of straw will provide a really nice barrier for the moisture to get trapped, and also lots of bugs and worms will have a nicer area to develop and grow. So next season there's gonna be much more organic matter underneath. You will see that some of the straw will probably decompose by that time, and the little topsoil will start to form again, especially for us where we had years and years and years of harvests and planting. And so this mulch layer will hopefully start a nice new cycle of rejuvenating the ground underneath. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and find some useful tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or any results from trying this out, and hope to see you next video. Bye.